Welcome to DataFi's auto demo site. This video will briefly introduce DataFi's data audit and security management platform. After logging into DMC, we will first see this dashboard screen. On the left side is Function Panel, where you can choose from various features and settings. Here is Overall Threat Risk Score. The system calculates the risk score based on the policies triggered by each database behaviors. This allows you to clearly see at a glance whether there are any risks present across the entire database. Next is the Overall Performance Score, which is focused on databases with installed agents. The system retrieves the hardware usage data from the host machine. This includes the usage rates of resources such as CPU, memory, and disk. Next is the Alert Risk. When the system detects risky behavior, DMC can send alert notifications to administrators via syslog or email. For example, abnormal behaviors such as login failed or large query can trigger these alerts. Next, let's scroll down to explore this section in more detail. We can clearly identify the current risks and analyze their sources. The system will list the top 5 highest risk assets. For example, in this case, it displays database users. On the right side, it explains why these database users are classified as high risk, as they have triggered relevant security policies. Here, we have a drop-down menu, and this time, we select Database. The system will list the top 5 highest risk databases, and the right side will display the relevant security policies triggered by these databases. In summary, the dashboard features provide a comprehensive overview of the entire database system's risks, performance, and alert statuses. The system can first identify high-risk assets and then provide access to reports or allow for online searches of audit events, assisting administrators in quickly conducting in-depth analysis and taking necessary actions. Next, let's take a look at the Asset Table feature. This function allows you to browse all the assets within the entire database environment, including database users, tables, database hosts, client hosts, and more. Through these assets, DMC can further categorize which assets are currently in use, which are newly added, and which are idle. This makes it easier to manage and monitor the overall operation of the system. Next, let's move on to the following feature. When you click on the alert statistics in the dashboard, the system will take you to this screen. Here, you can view detailed information about all triggered alerts, gaining a deeper understanding of the risk behaviors and related events within the system. For example, the login failed alert shown on the screen provides more detailed information through the message field, allowing you to examine the specifics of the incident. After clicking the magnifying glass icon on the left, the system will display the alert's history in a timeline format, allowing you to track the progression of the incident over time. Next, let's take a look at the Policy Management feature. DMC has pre-built various policies related to compliance and risk behaviors, which users can directly activate without additional setup. The Policy Management feature can be applied not only to alerts, but also to reports, helping you manage and monitor the system's security and compliance more effectively. Next, let's introduce the Report feature. Here, you can view the reports generated by DMC's daily scheduling. Users only need to click the download icon on the left to download the report file, making it easy to review or save it offline. By selecting Template, you can see that the product has various pre-built compliance reports, such as ISO 27001, SQL injection, and login failed, etc. Users can activate these reports with a single click, without the need for additional customization or setup. This simplifies the report generation process and makes compliance management more efficient. Lastly, let's introduce a powerful feature of the DataFi audit platform, online search for audit data. After selecting a specific data time range, simply press Apply to proceed. DataFi utilizes an industry-unique relational search function. When performing a search, you can enter a pivot relational condition command along with additional conditional fields to refine your search. DMC will organize and analyze identical audit behaviors using pivot analysis, allowing you to quickly access valuable audit data for deeper insights. After clicking the number in the count on the left, the system will display more detailed audit behavior information, providing you with a more complete view of the field data. This includes information such as who, what, when, where, and why. These detailed data help you fully understand the background and specifics of each audit event. You can also click on this statement to view the complete SQL statement, which provides deeper insights and helps you better meet the audit requirements. Thank you for watching the Datafy demo video. If you have any questions or further needs, please contact sale@datafy.com.